In the beautiful, upscale neighborhoods of Southlake, Texas, home security is a top priority for homeowners. While many invest in high-tech alarm systems and surveillance cameras, one often overlooked yet highly effective layer of protection is landscape lighting. Beyond enhancing curb appeal and showcasing your home's architecture, well-placed outdoor lighting serves a crucial role in deterring crime and improving safety for families across Southlake. Lighting as a first line of defense. Criminals prefer to operate in the shadows. Dark, poorly lit yards and pathways offer the cover they need to approach homes undetected. That's where landscape lighting comes in. A well-lit exterior sends a clear message. This home is protected, visible, and not an easy target. In Southlake, where privacy and prestige go hand in hand, landscape lighting offers a discreet yet powerful way to increase your home's security presence without compromising style. From front yards to backyard perimeters, strategically placed lighting can eliminate dark corners, highlight entry points, and ensure that your home stays visible at all hours. Key security benefits of landscape lighting. Here's how outdoor lighting directly supports home security for Southlake residents. Illuminated entry points. Entrances are common targets for burglars. Lighting up your front door, back door, garage, and windows not only deters break-ins but also provides clear visibility for homeowners returning at night. Motion-activated lights. These are particularly effective along fences, driveways, and pathways. Sudden illumination can startle would-be intruders and draw attention to suspicious movement, acting as an automatic alert. Pathway lighting for safety. Keeping walkways lit prevents trips and falls for you, your family, and guests, while also discouraging trespassers from lingering in dark areas. Perimeter and fence lighting. Low-level lighting along fences and property lines creates a defined boundary and makes it harder for anyone to approach unnoticed. Aesthetic meets function. One of the best things about landscape lighting is its dual purpose. In a city like Southlake, known for elegant homes, manicured lawns, and thoughtful design, outdoor lighting doesn't have to look harsh or industrial. You can choose subtle, stylish fixtures that blend seamlessly into your landscaping while providing essential security. Options like low-voltage LED uplights, in-ground lights, and sleek bollard lights create a warm and welcoming ambiance while illuminating critical areas of your property. Lighting can be both beautiful and protective, making your home stand out for all the right reasons. Energy efficient and smart options. Today's landscape lighting systems are more efficient than ever. LED technology uses a fraction of the electricity of older lighting methods, offering brighter light with lower long-term energy costs. In Southlake's often hot climate, low-heat LED lights are especially beneficial for reducing the risk of fire or overheating. Many homeowners also pair landscape lighting with smart technology, allowing for remote control, automated schedules, and motion detection through mobile apps. These smart features not only enhance convenience but also give you greater control over your home's security from anywhere. Professional installation matters. To get the most out of your landscape lighting, professional installation is key. Lighting design experts understand how to balance aesthetics with safety, ensuring lights are placed where they'll have the greatest impact, without creating glare or light pollution. In Southlake, where homes vary in size and style, a customized lighting plan tailored to your property's layout ensures optimal coverage and a polished finish. Whether you're illuminating a sprawling estate or a cozy backyard, a professional approach makes all the difference. Final thoughts. Landscape lighting is more than just a decorative feature. It's a practical, elegant, and highly effective security measure for Southlake homeowners. By thoughtfully illuminating your property, you can deter crime, improve safety, and enjoy peace of mind, all while boosting your home's nighttime beauty. Investing in landscape lighting is a smart step toward a more secure, stylish, and welcoming home in one of Texas's most desirable communities.